10mm. I paused here because I want to know, if you look at each side of that brace that holds the battery in place, there's two L-shaped long bolts that requires two 10mm nuts to hold it down or to lock it down in place. And over time, they become rusted out pretty badly, especially when, in this case, it looked like the original battery. They become hard to remove because once you go to remove the nut, it spins out and strips out the bottom of that battery compartment at the base where those L-shaped bolts go into place. They strip it out and it constantly spins around, not allowing you to remove that nut. So what I'm doing here is sprayed it with WD-40 or some penetrant PB blaster and allow it to sit for a little while before we remove that nut. These are 10mm. They are rusted out. Sprayed with some WD-40. Not sure how they're gonna hold up. Got a 10mm impact socket, deep well socket. They're either gonna break or they're gonna turn up. Okay. We got one of them off. We can rotate it. We got one off. All right. The hook's on down there. Just super simple. This case should just come out of our way. Let me mount the camera. So those hooks here, this hook just hooks down in there, and those holes on both sides, you can see they're distorted due to the tension from these rusty bolts putting on them, and to twist these things, they're twisted, bends that thin metal super easily. All right, let's clean up in here. Just gonna take some air and blow this out. Or you can spray it out. I'm just going to use some compressed air and blow it out. And that's better. All right, new battery right here. It's the 51R Everstart. It's on sale right now at Walmart. Here's the other one. Barely holding on. All right, let's install this one. Okay, installation is just the reverse process of when we removed it. So I'm going to speed the clips up a little bit to make this go by a little bit quicker. But yeah, you get the idea of how to install it since you removed it.